Morning vlog.
Shit, I spilled water.
So it is 8:41 of July 5th. We got a softball game.
Yeah.
Let's get it. I woke up late, so I want to die.
When she was supposed to be at the field. It's like, oh, we have a whole 7.
Wow!
A whole 7.
Shy, what did we get?
Dubs.
That's what, yeah. I'm going to Shy's and I'm probably going to swim. I don't know if Shy will swim. I'm going to swim because Shy has a pool. Oh my god.
Have fun time vlogging.
You know, it's just daily going to Shy's.
Like sometimes computers can explode, can they not? No.
I got hit today in softball. It's so big. Thanks for the likes. Well, last I checked, it's at 7. I'm going to jump in now. Ready, set, go. Ow! Jesus. It's fun. Me and Shy went swimming for like 2 hours, I'd say. Then we got out and tanned. Now we're inside. Yeah. Okay, so apparently I look like Edna from The Incredibles. Comment below if I do. If I get a lot of comments saying that I do, I will be her for Halloween. All around me are familiar faces. Yeah! Bye, Shy.
Bye, Emma.
It was fun hanging out with you today.
Yeah.
Morning vlog. Can I see your phone? What the fuck? Okay, so me and Zach and Ty, and then we're picking up Corbin. We're going to Jag in the Dells to watch volleyball, and that's that. What the fuck, dude? It's so creepy. So fucking creepy. Hi, Corbin.
Hey.
Hi, Ty.
Oh my god.
Zach doesn't know how to fucking drive. We're in the Dells. We're going to grab something to eat.
Clout gang!
Clout gang! We're here. Too funny. We out here. What the? That's nasty.
This actually tastes really fucking good.
Zach, that is disgusting.
It looks like someone shit on your plate.
Yeah. We're going to the mall. Let's go to the escape room.
Scat room. Scat room. You like escaping there and shit, brah?
Noodles was good. 9 out of 10, I'd say.
I'm a parking. It's a pizza. It's a pasta.
Oh my god!
I don't like
Jesus
God stop signs and just where it says stop.
I literally got that on camera. Crash caught on camera.
Just because you're white doesn't mean you can do that. Bloody hell, mate. Fuck you. Fuck you, Illinois bastard. Expose him. He's got his plate numbers. You legally can't do that.
I know. No, dog. Stop, Zach.
Legally.
I wish I could fucking drive because you don't know how to. Would you let me drive your car?
No.
Yeah, I didn't think so. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. And stop. Don't worry, Kevin. We can buff out those scratches. We're going Nike.
We're going Nike.
Whoa, vlogception.
Skeeter boys.
Let's try to get kicked out of Nike.
Yeah, we could. That could be our got kicked out of Nike.
I literally thought of that.
We're better than you, so.
Going to Jag to watch volleyball. Zach parked like 8 miles away.
Hello.
We're at Jag.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah. Everyone say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Emma and Paige.
Let's not smile.
Yeah, Allie Friedel here. Hit 3 home runs yesterday.
A triple, a double, and a single.
Let's go, volleyball girls. Say hi, Corbin. Zach! Zach, stop. You're gonna get in trouble.
Get the juicy in there. Beaver fever. They say what?
Huh?
What?
Loser said what? Corbin, loser says what?
What? Oh!
Got him.
Got him. Pranked.
Is it just me or does it smell like up dog in here?
Oh, what's up, dog? Oh, nothing much about you. What's that thing under there?
Underwear. Knock knock.
Who dare?
Amish.
Amish who?
You're not a shoe.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
The KGB.
The KGB who?
Can we ask questions?
That's from The Office.
Knock knock. Who's there? KGB.
KG.
Weaver asked the question.
What the hell was that?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Hey, hey!
Hi. I'm editing and I realized that I didn't really end that part of the vlog. So basically what we did was we watched one game of volleyball and then we went home. We did some things in between that, but those shall not be spoken of. I went home for a little bit, but then I went to Shy's for a sleepover. Okay, so I'm at Shy's. Definitely just got here. Haven't been here for like 20 minutes. Who's that? Paige is here! Hi, Paige! Ready? Hug me! Fuck me!
What is going on? It's like you read her mind.
Boards class is finally all together. We were playing basketball, now we're just chilling. We bulling in this crap.
We out here booing. I have a fight tonight.
Are we?
Come.
Okay.
You guys can come.
Over, Paige.
Fucking dumb fuck.
What the fuck did you just say?
Yeah, that's basically it. We're
We're playing a game of 21. 21. Hell yeah! So guys, we had a fire tonight, but it was too much fun to vlog. We were too busy having fun.
Yeah.
So we didn't.
Yeah.
But we're about to put it out right now. So I thought we'd let you join in on the fun.
I'm a big fan of Smokey the Bear, and I stand with him when we prevent forest fires, so let's put it out. Vape Niche. What's up, vlog? So, boards classes.
Checking out for the night.
Yep, checking out for the night. We're going to basketball. We have to wake up at 6:30.
You're committed.
Apparently. This is me signing off for the night. Peace out. Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Rise and grind, everyone.
No, shut up.
Morning vlog. 7:06 in the morning of July 7th. Shut the fuck up, Paige. Going to JAG again for the fucking second day in a row. I don't think I can make it. No, I went to bed at 1. I don't know when everyone else did though, because I was asleep. You gonna get up? Get up.
No.
Shy, they won't wake up.
I might, David.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, Claire though.
Fuck off. Emma!
Possession of cocaine, possession of methamphetamine.
We are headed to Jag and
It's
Adele's
only both ways.
once
Why you do
again.
that?
Yeah, Lisa driving. Shy in the shotgun.
Oh, you had him before.
Jameson on the right side.
Try to do mine.
Paige in the middle. Me on the left. Check back with you when we get there. Hey guys, we're here at Jag.
Alright, how much do I look like him?
Oh my god. Wow. I vlog. We're going to Culver's. Zach just got done with his game. Lost and got broke down by an autistic kid.
Dude, what if he sees it? I don't want to say it.
Okay guys, I'm really fucking tired, so I'm gonna make this quick. I'm a terrible vlogger. Didn't end what we did today. The varsity boys played 3 games, lost 2 out of those 3. I went home with Jameson, Zach, Dan, and Keith. It was so weird. Then I came home. Also, I'm sorry if this vlog is a mess. It was over the course of 3 days. Thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and leave a comment. Cool.